Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to make a really short review of a grammar topic that in English is called present perfect. But we are going to do it through the activities we have done, actividades que ya hemos hecho. Let's start. I am going to show you a series of activities and you are going to tell me if you identify them. What activities are these? Do you know what activity is this? Swimming, hiking, this one, shooting an arrow, climbing, climbing what? Climbing a tree in this case. Next, running a marathon, and finally, this one, hunting. Okay, remember, swimming, hiking, shooting an arrow, hunting, running a marathon, and climbing. Those are the vocabulary related to activities. Now we have the similar pictures of activities, but in this case the question changed. The question is different. The question is, which of these activities have you done? You see, this is in red color because the grammar structure changed. Have you done? Do you remember level 3? Do you know what is the definition of have you done? Has hecho. Which activities have you done? For example, I have swum, I have hunted, and I have run a marathon. What about you? Okay. If you notice, the structure that I just used is called present perfect. Yes, we are going to see 3 examples that we have. The first one is, they have traveled for 2 months. Do you know what is have traveled? It means ellos han viajado por 2 meses. Remember that in this case, have doesn't mean tener, but in this case, related to present perfect, the translation means haber. Yo he, tú has, nosotros hemos, right? And the characteristic of the verb that is next to have or has, according to the person, needs to be in past participle. In this case, the past participle is ed because travel is a regular verb. Yes, remember that the translation of a verb in past participle in Spanish means hado, ido. Travel, viajar, traveled, viajado, right? So it means that it is an action that started in the past but continues in the present. Another one, she has graduated at the top of the class. Yes, we use present perfect too when we talk about achievements. You remember what is an achievement? An achievement means logro. Ella se ha graduado, right? And finally, an action that is related to the present time. I have not finished my homework yet. Yes? So these are affirmative and this is negative. You see, in this case, we make it negative with have not. You can use have not or you can use hasn't or haven't. They are the contractions of have not and has not according to the person. Okay, but how to form present perfect? For the people who are a little bit more grammatical people, here we have the formula. Always I am going to need a person, the subject. Do you remember the subjects? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Additional, we are going to use the auxiliaries of present perfect that are have and has. ¿Qué me determina esto? The person. Then, additionally, I need